Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tax settings using TaxJar for US orders step by step clearly. To transfer tax settings using TaxJar for US orders, start by logging into your TaxJar account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left side of the dashboard. Under the Settings tab, find and click on Integrations. Select the e-commerce platform you're using from the list of available integrations. Follow the prompts to connect your e-commerce store to TaxJar, if you haven't done so already. Once the integration is complete, return to the Settings tab. Click on Sales Tax Settings to access your tax configuration options. Here, you will see the current tax settings for your store. To transfer these settings, look for the option labeled Manage Tax Rates. Click on this option to view your existing tax rates. Review the current tax rates and ensure they align with your business locations. If any adjustments are needed, modify the rates as necessary. Next, to transfer tax settings to your e-commerce platform, go back to the main TaxJar dashboard. Click on Tax Reporting from the left-hand menu. Select the relevant reporting period for the sales you want to adjust. Generate a report that includes your tax settings and rates for that period. Once generated, download the report in the preferred format. Now, head back to your e-commerce platform. Look for the Tax Settings or Tax Rates section in your platform's admin panel. Upload the downloaded tax report to ensure the settings match those from TaxJar. Confirm the upload and review the tax rates within your e-commerce platform. Finally, test a few transactions to ensure the correct tax settings are applied to your orders. This completes the transfer of tax settings using TaxJar for US orders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.